Yeah, we're back again. Welcome, guys. One King Films. You see me, we're there with a brand new movie. So all I want to do, a regular routine. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend about One King Film. You understand? But we know about the movie. You see me, I want to know left on the honest opinion in the comment section. You understand? So, pick up on yourself. Remember, like, share, subscribe.
The time is now. I don't know about you, but the time is now. In this life, gotta make it somehow. Yeah, you gotta believe, you know. Yeah, the time is now. I don't know about you, but I gotta make it somehow. In this paradise, somehow. I can't be here and don't make it go. Got to put your shoulders to the wheel, though. My girl, real though. Enough of them no real though. Can't even express how you feel though. Sell you out for your meal though. How you feel though? How you feel, bro? Signed and sealed though. Some things ain't real though. Thought it was my friend, but I realized them a real foe. You had the info. Them still like milk though. Nah. But I know I gotta make it somehow. Cause the time is now. Yes, the time is now. I can't think about what's gone in the past. Can't think about even tomorrow. Cause the time is now. I put my shoulder to the wheel, I know I gotta make it somehow. Cause the time is now. Yes, 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 the time is now.
I pray dog. Wagwan.
Long time I don't see you, where you pan?
Yeah man, I don't see me there man. Same man, I know just there do what you have to do. So where the pan do?
Get married, you know. Yeah man, I get married, I invite you to your wedding. You see?
Me, boy I get married, they no good to that man. Congratulations man. Of course man, my father wedding come. Remember say yo, long time we are friends for a long time we are part and then look with the family a little boy and something till now. You see me? I'm happy for you man dog, I'm happy for you, I'm not lie. It's a good move, it's a good look, I'm not tell no lie bro.
Man, finally find a good man, so I go marry and I love her, you know?
It's a good move still now. Congratulations again, you see me? Big up yourself, you know say I don't pan with them here girls, so. Now look more, we link, you see it? Yeah man.
Yeah man, look more man.
Yeah man, so only thing we have to do here now is just put up 2 more of the bad boy them on the wall and just put up the raft for them and they will just deck off it. You understand? But depends on them, because I live there all a reason. So it depends. So the next house is deck, you know. But if they don't come through properly, because I tell her I say right now, the deck is a place here. give me 3 million or 4 million, and the deal so you can eat a food and rent. But it look like them at the price too high when I charge.
Yeah.
So we would have left you part of the right or so. You understand? And make you make some of this deal. Because I can't work for chicken back money. See right now for my man I go to church. And every week the pastor want money. And I don't know anything I keep from my woman I push up himself. So the demands are more. So you know how it go differently, so that's that to the work, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, that's that. So me have to try to get the right amount of money. I can't do it without the right amount of money. Because you want the money, I want the money. You know no sense to work for cheap. Then you can't do nothing. Because you have a rent to pay, you have everything to do with the day. You see it? You know how it go?
Yeah.
You cut one cut off of the place and now, you know. So the money we get, you alright with that?
Yeah. You pay the good, you know.
Man, so I just that the thing, you know. If you say the pay good, yo, I go up on the road, I see if we can get to 2 red stripes or whatever, we don't know. So I'll go on up. Alright, come down fast, boy. I will get some rain. We could have done more work if the rain never fall. That's pretty terrible. I said the road look dead in the evening, huh?
Yeah, true. Good winds, man. Winds are always slow.
You don't want to play that. I watch out the 40 like they're putting up. Yeah, man. So I go on differently though, differently from that.
You know what, sir? My woman engaged.
Oh, no engaged?
Yeah, man.
Yo, congratulations, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, I engaged to my wife, you know. For 5 years. 5 years I engaged to her, fam. Because you know, couldn't find the money to do the wedding. Right? I'm the one who boasts the wedding. You know what I mean? So, I have to wait till make up the money. But I good look though. I good look.
I go just work with him here right now. He paid and he get mash up rent and something. So, man, could I get one another 100,000 for borrow? Get 100,000 for borrow.
Well, I don't know. You just check the bank already. You check the loan place then.
Certain documents have them and pay slip. I'm not doing this in there.
Yeah, pay slip.
Pay slip, yeah.
But you know, you know say I trying you and your work, you put in your work. Here know, I will lend you 15, I don't know if I get next 50 from. I lend you 50,000 for your married, make a marry to your woman and live a life. You understand? So tomorrow, check me tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
I lend you that money, but you want to ramp with my money, you know. I don't ramp with money, you know. Right now, it's more up on the road or something. And somebody me I look for, because I build a house to them, and they have to look back payment to me and look like a be a dodging thing and go on. Somebody I look out and I 2 eye them. You understand? To see if I can see them. But you what, check me tomorrow for that. Because yeah, simple mathematics, man. Come I say me and my woman have to come at the wedding, you know. Because for your woman and my wife, them go church together. Them are sisters in a church. You understand? So, me have to do the wedding said you. So, now tell my wife, say, me lending her money, you know.
I don't know.
Because my wife love money. Anywhere you see money, you want take it. And if you tell him, say, me lend you, he must check you for the money. Go check it.
You can't check the money because you never borrow enough for that.
No, you don't know my wife. I just stand and tell her she stay. I married to her, so I tell her she stay. So you check all for your wife, for your wife to be. Because you're not married yet, you know. So I say, but it's like how I live a good life, I want to see I live a good life too. So if you say you go marry to your woman, I go lend you 50,000, ramp with my money, you know. Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. Just check me tomorrow. Boy, I'm gonna yeah, we got talk. Alright. Well, do not worry about that. You must say no room 9 or 8, you know. It's a bar. Not because you're a Christian. People who drink rum in a bar still go to church and put money in an offering box and the pastor and tell them no, take it back out. It no matter where the money come from. Alright.
That's true, that's true.
But why are you and you go take this same money when me use from the bar work? Right? Go give pastor it. And you say you know why night? Stay night where you go wait till me done we are go home. I work and I run me a drink.
I gone far though.
Yeah man.
You are the good man.
Yeah. I seen it up and now.
Well,
You're good though.
yeah man, we good man.
But when you listen now, I don't know about you and the harvest, you know, because I don't know why as your queen to be a harvest a be a rally, as one done is the next one. It a drain my pocket. Alright. You can't keep on a rally them for yourself. Eh? You can't keep on a the harvest for yourself. You're in a church for a whoppy kill fill up. And you can't keep on a for yourself. Keep one for yourself.
Worry about that. Me, I get somebody offering money. So Tandy.
Oh, you get offering money and pastor there?
Me and pastor
So
for there.
you and the accountants there?
And me deal with the offering money.
So oh, you take money from me. You take money from half, you take money from me. So we, my original smartly, you know. Like you want to do, alright. You want to do what the other people them do.
Remember, say me have only things to take care of, you know.
Alright. Anyway, that is enough for the day. I just try cut off a little piece here. See me try one more attempt on the car. I alone left it though. Then we shall go home. I try make you go and go cook, you know.
And that me just said to you a while ago, you know. Me I go and go cook, so by the time I done I come home, my food we almost done cook.
Alright, yeah, me there go and focus on it. Alright.
Oh God, how will call me now? Oh, how gonna be? Yeah, me alright. Oh, me just there clean up and something. Me not lift up nothing heavy. Yeah, me not go lift up nothing heavy. Yeah, everything good and something. Alright then, me I try do what me have to do, come. And my house me I clean up and me go throw away some of something them me not needed. Me don't tell us that me not go lift up nothing heavy. Alright. Later. Come here! Come here, the man! Oi!
Eh?
Come here, de.
Me come now.
You can help me carry this go to road. One dash or somebody now and something.
Oh, yeah, give me your money.
Yeah, man, me I give her money.
Alright. Which way you want me to dash you?
Oh, this one.
Alright.
Look at your see rubbish bin.
So, I'm going to ask you. This one not good?
No, it not good. That mash up long time.
Alright then, I'll dash you.
Alright.
One pot of flour.
Well, I can't get them balloon
I want
official.
to go on. So we have this is by one lasco, 1 pound of flour. I want 1 sugar.
So I want 2 balloons. Little girl, come here.
No.
How you go? How your mother send off? How you go buy a shop? Shop you go?
Yeah.
Where you go buy?
1 balloon.
Where you go buy a shop?
Me gonna buy a shop. Me gonna buy 1 lasco, 1 pound of flour.
Oh. You, like your mother get too much money, you know, a little bit of money for them, you know.
Me can't get sugar. I get 1 balloon.
When me little, I used to take my mother money buy balloon and tell her I say the money last. You understand? So I'm gonna sell 1 balloon. Alright. Yeah, you love pink?
Me love green
Alright.
and pink.
So 1 little green one and 1 pink one. I give you change. Alright, so you change here. You can buy something them now here. 100 of the money they go on now. Go on a shop. Walk with the here. Don't tell nobody say I'm selling here. Alright. Hold up and let's see place.
So, be how was work today?
I'm bad no, but I get 1 day off.
Oh, I will never go back to work.
Go back. I go back Thursday.
Oh.
Yeah, man, no, so I get 1 day off because I'm glad I get 1 day off because cement done. I can work it too hard now.
Oh. So your boss not pay you?
You see me if you come check him back tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow like what time?
I don't know. Just say tomorrow, no time, no time.
Oh.
You work hard, you know? Because I have to load up the board, mix concrete and carry concrete. You see me?
Yeah, man.
So, I know what normal work. Sometimes I have to sit down and the other man I tell me say, I can't sit down because I want the work done. Well, I feel like I will look something else for do.
What I don't like, man, I tell. I can't sit down every time, you know, your money, you have got to.
Me a human, me a robot.
Oh.
Robot alone work right through. Me have to take my rest.
But you have to work, you can't sit down.
Me no sit down for long.
That can't go give you money.
Me know. I know like say me sit down for all day and I do nothing.
Be when you work, you don't know, you overwork yourself, because when you come in, you have time for me.
Me understand, B.
See, I think so if you go in a videography thing, because we make you make money more and more than this side.
You know, so I show you that, babes. Because money depend, you know.
Yeah, enough money.
Yeah, man, money depend, man. Because when we married, that the package we pay for a whole heap of money we pay. Money depend, man. I go do it. So thank you for encourage me.
Yeah, man. So we have nobody who can buy one photography camera.
Me no know, but me I go up on the road and find out still.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah, man. I go check out down on the pawn shop there too.
Check out how much fee.
The price, it no really matter. The price, me only want to know so me get one. Me can make back a money and fight.
Yeah.
Cause as I say, money depend the photograph thing.
No only come with money though.
No, sir. In days, yeah, I go pan road go around 2 hours, yeah. So, in the meantime, I go check up on that. And so I can go.
Yeah.
So later.
Yeah.
Cook something nice till me come back.
Yeah, what you want?
Cook anything.
Alright, tin mackerel.
No, sir, cook meat in the fridge.
Oh. Chicken butt.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, I did the killer.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, go on, we'll have to go, man.
I'm married and second down. I can't see you. Lucky in, you're the fun.
I'm lucky, you know. I never work, man. I work on site, but
Oh, you still at this side work?
my wife a complain, say, boy, I'm not going good. Because every time when I have to go and eat something, I did, me tired.
Yeah, I'm doing things and
So,
all about it.
I something different man do, you know. You want to go on? I a videographer man do now.
Oh, you want a videographer?
Yes. So you know me can get one camera for buy. One video camera.
You know, I say, I think I know a smart way where you have a camera, but I don't know if I sell them, I want to sell it, but if I sell them, I think I can get it for a good price.
Yeah. So when you can deal with it?
You can't answer, okay? So, you have money, you have no money on them something there.
You know,
you have to need money to buy the thing.
Me know, hold on. Me auntie was offering to send her money come by next week. So, so when the money come, you can deal with it.
So here me I go do for you, you see me? I go link the person.
Yeah.
And hear what price and hear when you say so. I show it you and make you know what I go on. You see me say just skip your phone close to you as I call you. You can make you know what I go on, you see me?
Yeah, man.
So I go check your person, you see me?
Ah.
Alright, so.
Yeah, man. The virgin I was supposed to see the camera today, so when you get it, you might call me. And I wait on.
Oh.
Yeah.
So the says if they are real for what they might change color.
Me don't know, maybe knock off they say no people last time, but you are. I can't go make them clean it and tell me if I really go like
Oh, yeah, man.
give me it. I feel like people are clean them. So, come on, what do you do?
Yeah.
Auntie Maureen. Auntie Maureen. Good day. You know, say I'm my favorite auntie. Yeah, man. Remember, say, are you me climb all that breadfruit tree them final? Yeah, man. You're the best auntie me have. Nah, tell you that, me not hesitate if you do nothing for you. So, if you can't make anything go on, you can file for me and my wife. You come over for a better life. You know? Yeah. Yes, auntie. See if I can get some work over there and save money, you know. Cause right now, I do a site work, you know, but you know I work out for me because my wife complains when I come in the evening time, I can't do nothing. So, I have a bridge and a source and camera for me. So I go in the photography thing and do some video and take picture and them thing there, you know. Can do funeral, wedding, party, any little thing. Not really going out there, you know. But a big struggle I go through. Right now, I don't even have no food in the house. Everything done. And work hard to get to Jamaica. So, if you can line up a file for me and my wife come over, can live a better. Oh, how this you coming? Oh, my boy. Yo, my G.
What?
There, man.
Everything good?
Eh.
Where the pan?
But me there on the road there, you know.
Oh, we get the thing, you know. We get the camera, you know.
Eh.
Yeah, man. So, more if you just me in a fear yard gate there, so me tell her what I go on. You see me?
Alright then.
Alright, so just link me.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Cool.
Me do it on the front.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yes.
My machine this time, you know. Brand new. You see me number that 3 day one place, you see me, but high quality, high tech thing, you see me? So here one now. 40 me get it for, you see me? But at the 100 feet, so my ball down, slap off 60 or 5, you see me? So I make sure say I hot get something, you see me? People want it, other people want it. So I say I grab it for you, you see me? So you know say an idea you have to go for you, you understand? Like,
Yeah, 10 grand man still.
10 grand now.
Yeah, 10 grand.
Let me show you something about the camera. Yeah. You're not ready for this, eh?
What you talking about?
You're not ready for this charge.
I mean, I'm not ready for me.
10 grand, me tell you say 100,000 office, I make me ball on 60 or 5, I make it for 40, you come up and tell me say 10 grand.
Alright, you want to go and I go up something more on it. Yes. You know, it's my virgin and get my camera for me.
So when you say about how much fee?
You know, so give me 10 grand and I have go and take it.
Yeah, that good now.
Yeah, man. Hey, I love you guys.
Me too.
Me love you just push me. You see, because remember saying, you know, you take me up on the roadside, a big people. And you push me if you go look side work and me get it. And now, me tell you say hard and now I'm going to photograph a business. And you push me towards it. Yeah. So, I can go do. Yeah, man.
So you know you pay?
Yeah, I get it to them, man.
Oh. So you can go collect your pay money?
Yeah, that's not good.
Oh.
Yeah, man, you have to forward it to 40, man, you see me?
So, let me go and hold on for you. I get the rest of the money for you.
Let me get the money by later.
Yeah, man, I get the money by later, man.
No short, you see me?
Yeah,
so
man.
If you have put something extra on it, you can do it, but go and do
I
it.
said, I price you telling me again.
Yeah, man, it's expensive than that too, you know, a high tech, you know?
Yes. So just sit down, sir, because that's case.
Okay.
Yes, how do you?
Good.
And yes, buy the camera, you know.
For how much money? For how much?
Beautiful, I look a reasonable price still, you know.
And this a dirty?
No, man, I just clean up.
Oh.
Soaked in idea.
No, man, go they are due.
Oh. I'll take 2 pictures.
Okay.
Alright. One picture, the sequel. One look.
You look good, man.
Alright.
What were you wearing there?
You know, say, you don't have to clean the same way, you know.
When you go feed?
I go check him the idea.
What time?
The next half hour or so.
Okay.
We start make some money.
Mm-hmm.
You remember when we married?
Yeah.
People in charge of arm and a leg. So we're going to try and make back with money that we spend. Yeah, man. Nice camera. Eh?
What you look dirty though?
Yeah, clean first, let me say. Get some alcohol and clean it. Get some alcohol and clean it. So, open up, man. Just sit down, sir. You're not happy to see me?
Yeah. Let me see camera.
You ever see it before?
But you look good. Come in the door.
I'm going to teach you how to use it, you know.
How you use?
I'm going to teach you how to use it. You just buy, I don't know full specs about it. But I'm going to figure it out. It's a button that you know what it's a button doing. But I'm going to figure it out.
Mash up.
Mash up, eh? When sitting mash up, you crush up. Just like a cleaning you want and look brand new. I make it look brand new. Breakfast good, yeah?
Yeah, man, I make it, man, you feel good.
But guess what? You can put too much salt in it.
Oh, sorry about that, baby.
So, when I cook,
Yeah.
you have to take your time with the salt. How will you do? You just turn it, you pack the salt, you might put on. No, that's not the way you do it.
But you me and the hurry, man.
No, man, you have to take your time when you do cooking. You have to just tip the salt now a spoon.
Yeah.
Liquor and so you put salt.
And then taste.
Your taste. Yes, so when you get like a taste now, you know it's that good.
Yeah.
Salt no good for use. Too much salt no good for use.
Make it special.
Salt like that. So I'm going to go on the road, you know, babe.
Alright then, safe journey.
Yeah, man.
Can I back something for me?
Yeah, man, what you want?
Anything.
Alright. Babes, you must left your camera.
You know some of you see it go? Yeah, I must have to carry back something for me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I not take long.
Yeah.
Shaman, burn it down. Shaman!
You know there, you know?
Oh, you know the board?
No.
I have to go pump to work this morning now. Where party gone?
You go on the road to do all the work.
What kind of work you do? You know, I feel to finish up our house.
I'm gonna do a videographer.
You my videographer?
Yeah.
Where you get the idea from now, God?
Work too much at site.
Oh, the site work?
Yeah, too much.
Not too much? Ah, boy. Because piece of work we get in, I'm saying I can link him, so yo, him can mash up some work in the day, yeah. Anyway, I will get one different labourer. But you good though?
Yeah, I'm there, man. I got a bit of vibe.
Bit of vibes. You want to work?
Yes.
You can't manage it. You can't carry my job. Try to call up boy.
You see the button here? Can select it on black and white.
Yeah. Oh, anyways, me, you know, see your friend come look for you today.
Which one of them?
Rasta.
Eh?
But you him up on side.
Oh, alright, you are going. I go check him. I go check him.
Yeah.
Soon come back.
Yeah.
Bossy. What go on?
Yeah, man.
Hell boy, they are going to work. Forward can link you today. Tonight earlier. Then you say you turn photographer. And we are work for you. A photographer you turn for real?
Yeah, man, because more money depend on it more easier.
Alright, well, for easy work, you look, then you go and go do photography. I'm there go and put in the work because I have this room I finish and two other room on the sun. So I have to do it. Me nah no camera. Me can't go run by taxi. So I'm a mason. So I do what I have to do. But here we know differently. Everything good with you.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you pay money?
Yeah, I tell you.
Alright, so for
money
the
depend.
for the money depend, do your work and make a living. Remember say when you get married, what do you do? 150 grand put on for me, so let me get it by a certain time then.
I get you, man.
Yeah, man, so don't worry yourself then. Go and do what you do, just let me get my money. Because I have to go put in some work, I have some things to deal with. Right? Yeah, man. So, whenever I know say a photography you want to, I think you don't want to catch a trade. You think you don't buy yourself one show and try catch a mason.
No, sir, they may work too hard.
Well, I said the world, Billy, world, and not easy.
I work too hard, and when I go into film, man, I can't do nothing because I'm tired.
Alright. Do what you have to do.
Yeah, man.
So that means come page you for because we have some work to do. So I get one different look second deal to do. Know yourself?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I will look at you to one way by work. Alright.
Because your machine mash up your clothes. You know, I say today rent due on a 2 months when you pay no rent.
Landlord good, you know. The rent good, man. My auntie send the money come, so I get the information from my phone, so I go down on MoneyGram go collect it now.
Alright then.
So, later.
Yeah.
Makai,
Oi,
come here, man.
what ya?
You clear there now, sir. I want the cement them now. What go on, sir? I don't see you from when. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
But here we go on now. Everything not good for my side, you know, because me say, from I check it a long time, they link me back. But they show you 100 say, one at the time them I go call. Pan you for the money back when I lend you for do the wedding. Right? Because you did that work with me at the time, we did make some money. So I show you the 100 say. You say you want the 50 because your woman a ming man in her ears and she want to get married before she give you nothing. And you want, you know, you want get into it, right? So I lend you 50,000. Still they pay you the same way. I may never take the 50,000 back from you, right? So you have 50,000 for me. So I go need it. Emergency now, I want it. You understand? You see me have your work? You want to do fancy work and I do photography. The woman say last time, you see your wife that she tell me say that you do. So no matter about what you want to do, my money reach me. Else we have to go through the law way. Right? You understand me I say to you?
You can't do more time.
No, listen up, me any time now work. A long time you have the money. If I look how long you're married. From them time there for you married until when much months pass. You know things if you give back the person 50,000 of boy money, you know. But anyway, just line up money for me to get in at the day. Yeah? Because I don't really come me have one lawyer there. He just want money. And if you take a quota now, you have to go pay the lawyer fee too. You know what I'm go? Because I go sue you and the lawyer go want fee. You know, come out of my money you go.
You go sue me if me can't find 50,000 I figure back.
Yeah, me go sue you. A business.
How me go find money for pay when you sue me?
Yeah, when me sue you, your family ain't figure it out, anybody figure it out. Because of business. You understand business?
Just make up more time.
No man, me I tell you. Me tell you.
Me go pay you back now.
Listen up. 1 year pass. If me check in a month. Cause after how much cause I say 10 months is almost 1 year in my book. 10 months. So when me ask you and I say if you lend somebody their money 10 months, when they say would I get back the money in a 1 month time, they get too much time already. So listen me. See they start do different work, you know. And more than 2 months since they work there, you know. You know say work better than this work here.
But you know I get no.
You know I get no. That's for your business. Can't get anything if you're turf and when. I look second or look like you more interested more than I do it now. So you know. Me know I get the sorry for the sorry for argument. Me sorry for you and Glenn the money. No, you sorry for me now and give back my money because I need my money. You understand?
Me I get the money again.
Alright, so do that. Me no will have to talk much about it. Right? Because my woman a Christian, you know. Right? My woman a Christian. And she a funeral landlord. You understand? So me get my money. You understand? A funeral landlord, you know. I say my woman a funeral landlord. So we connected within the same surrounding. So we don't need to a bag and forth in a war and violence. You understand? And cussing and law and then we're there. Because, watch out. You live and what the if woman are coming and me she and murmur say, you no owe him rent. 1 month pass, I got 2 months. So, that's my wife you know deal with, so you know. But my wife different. When I say I want my money, my wife won't carry no court, you know, but me, I carry a court. Because I never lie, I want to make a piece of money from what they show me. Say, don't case me. I'm going to tell them, I perk up one case here and now I lie. I perk up one case. One sure case. So, let me get money. That's my last one. And they go cost, okay, still have to pay me the 50. And the judge will charge you one next money to differently, you know. You know the law work, right? When you go court us, the money making, you know. You understand? So also the money.
You know if I make you reach this, I make you get the money.
Alright, just do it, man. Because I want to buy some black to build up 100% of myself. I can't work in it, so that a part of money buy my black, them and my cement. You hear? I lend the money willing not. Just give me money back in our willing not. Alright, sir? Now what piece of work you want to do over, but I don't want to work on a stress. Every time, because watch out. You know, I don't work with no second. And me I shovel up something myself because I have to make it work. Alright?
I'm like a thief, I'm like a thief. I don't want to go thief. You have to wait for me, man.
Sister Makai, come here, man.
Alright. Yes, I know.
You know, say I'm ready to come for the
You know, say, my boyfriend just gonna money go and go collect some money. And
Look here. Not because me go see him church. You feel hold me money, me red money. You make me all a chat foolish. Oh. Me need me money past 2 months now. Me need me money. Past 2 months. Not because me and you go to see him church, sister. Me need me red money. Come on, me need me red money a full time if you get me money.
You probably soon come still. I don't know what time you will come back, but they know saying soon come. So you have to wait little or circle back.
Listen to me. Just when time me red money for pay in time. Me not give you next chance again. It passed 2 months. 2 months, you know. I'll make sure so when we come back, we get my money.
Chop. wall and everything. And some man run joke with man thing. Yeah, bunny down, what go on? Yeah man, good while I'm not shout to me liar. But yeah, me liar, you know, we have to keep in touch, man. Yeah man, but hear me I say now, there's a problem arising now, you know. Because me lend when I want you to work for me, want 50,000. In there I get married, so me lend him 50,000. Months pass, he no want repair. Now he's saying tap work for me and gonna do bigger work, and months pass again, he still not pay my money, you know. So I know it's a sure win case, you know. Some of that want to sue him for more than the 50 so you can get your money out tight and me get mine out tight. Right? Yeah man, me know it's a sure win case and something there. Me have to come in and link you with the details and I just shout you because I'm up on the work and just dip on my mind and I know say yo, you're the right liar for that case here, you know. Yeah man. By later I'll check you. By later when I'm done working at the day, yeah. Maybe try left off of the work early. Enough that means I can't call link you. Yeah man, cause see there about 3 o'clock and I go to 4. So by to do the next half an hour. And then we reach 4 or 5 o'clock man. Alright? Enough respect man. Ah. Some people don't understand themselves.
Yes.
Yeah. There.
Money drop. I think it's money. But when I go up on the way, I meet up boss, buck up and boss.
I see.
But I tell me, say, I want the money, you know. When I lend me, you know, you want the 50,000 when I lend me. Right now, I have to decide what to do. If I pay rent or pay him, because right now, I quote you want to me.
And the woman come.
I know say that I'm more money.
The woman come today for your rent.
Them like how your church sister, you can talk to her, man.
I talk to him and him a cuss about he want him rent and he not come back.
Talk to her again, man.
Pay your boss, now about the landlord, me and her code.
Alright, yeah. Because I know I'm going to quote you. It's some more money that I know, say. Nothing not to go on for you. Alright. I go pay me, yeah?
Yeah.
Bossy.
What?
Yeah, man. You think I can't come again because...
Yo, me say you're lucky, you know. Me just talked to my lawyer a while ago and he love the case, you know, but if I carry the money come, I go call him back and cancel.
Yeah, man, because I don't want...
We could have gone to court, man, because I have Bridging still all in the...
Then you really want to keep Bridging go to court?
Yes, because Bridging have to learn. When you borrow people money, you give them back their money. Because loan is a loan.
I must say patience is the key, you know.
No, listen now. This is not hospital business about patient. Listen. Some people when they borrow, when they pour money, they put up money, you pitch up on the internet and say pay my money. I don't have time for that. Straight last out. But give me money. You sure sir? A 50 this year?
A 50 man.
Oh, this is $5,000 them. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Ah. Alright.
Yeah man. And I won 50,000 50,000
yeah, man, pocket. Listen up.
But is it true me know you can make a quote?
Yeah. Yeah man.
That's the right thing.
That's a principle. You pay people their money.
Yeah, but
Alright.
me couldn't pay at the time.
Listen what me I say though. Listen me I say. When I lend you that money if you don't do no wedding, me dey have a whole heap of things to do with my money, you know. You thinking about things me have to do with my money? But because me say important, me sacrifice and lend you. So when it come to my time, pay back my money, sacrifice and get my money. Cause me ain't go quote a robot, you know. Cause that me do what I really want to do. But anyway, me go call back a lawyer. You're good man. Go on do your thing. Alright, photographer. On the box. Only when it's serious, you get serious. I'm gonna go learn. Cause I'm like a teacher. I have to teach you something. Yeah, blessed. I'm me again, man. You are going now. You know, said the youth just come pay me the money. Yeah. Come and see him and show him the 100, you know. So a court we are going before I call you know. So it look like you me say court in go for the money kind this that to the Jamaican people so my time. Them hard paying. You deal with them good, them take you for idiot. Right? So me get my money now. So what me gonna do? Me have to go buy your drink same way. Yeah man. So when me I pass through, more left a money make a drink and juice. But we now bother get for go court because I pay the money. Alright? But so that case go come up, man. Cause you know Jamaica state, there's always a case. Somebody want to catch a case. You understand? So something will come up. But this is one gone. Alright, blessed. Alright.
Yo.
Take care of that, you know. The pay boss.
Oh.
So, you the fan now? Just sit down, son.
Yeah.
Mr. Mackay.
Oi.
You know where me come from now?
You rent?
God, I know.
You know where me come from now about me rent?
Come in, your sister.
What do you mean by come in?
Come in, come sit down.
When me come, we should send money me again. Come in the last thing.
Go over there to make my sister sit down.
You know if you feel like you sit down, but me don't sit down. Set your backside good. Where I say now? Me money me come for now. Me need no long chatting, so me money me come for.
What make you wear them as something here?
What do you mean what make me wear them as something? You see me when we come in the morning.
But anyways, I don't have no money today.
What do you mean you don't have no money today?
I don't have none.
Look here, tap play with me.
Go and send a man, just give me the next 3 months.
Next 3 months?
Yeah.
So that mean you want me 2 months or that mean 5 months? Want me money? Not because. Look here, we are sister by God choice. We is not a sister by blood. We need me money today or else you come out of my place and go on. Me need me money, come. See your man, they say, where him there for? Good for nothing.
Quarrel, we are going to leave your place.
No bother with the quarrel. No bother with the quarrel. Matter of fact, you want me 2 months. Me I give you 2 hours to pack up and leave my place. 2 hours me I give you. And you, no bother mumble around there, think me not hear you. You don't have no money to pay nobody but around there talk.
Hello, miss.
Go look at work. Me need me money. 2 hours me I go to leave my place. Alright.
What do you tell me say, you're a girl, a friend? I know good.
I saw you going, you know. She love money too much.
I saw your sister in Dave.
I'm money Kasi.
Money Kasi? No, I make money I get to them. Money is the root of all evil. Look at them. They go up on the front. Go see if I can get one of them board house for rent. Cheaper than that. A concrete house costs a whole heap of money. So we can get one board house, can pay around $2 grand a month. That no reasonable.
That good man. Cause Do Papa, what kind of house this?
But landlord still a charge you so much money.
That's fine.
Boy, they love their money. Anyway, now go up on the front, yeah?
Yeah.
Go see if me get the house.
Yeah, man.
Quick and come back. Pass and see that house. For rent where they look like somebody get it.
Yeah, I know.
So we have to go check. Oh,
Okay, so.
Go check that. It's one big white house, cream color house. So.
I wonder if I can get it.
I'll check out it. Nice house, Tina. Who forget it? Hey, yeah man, I take your number. 1876. Oh, that's 6 or 8?
I think I
8. Alright. Save. I call a number later. Hello? Yes. I'm calling about the house that I see for rent. Yeah. So, how much a month? $50,000? Alright, have a nice day. B? Better work about house. This too expensive.
That'd be expensive house we see.
No, better look on a board house then.
Yeah, man.
Go. What's water? My bucket foot in the water.
It's a place you rent.
Yeah, man. Come in, I'm going to check you out.
We reach it.
Come here 1 minute then.
1 minute.
No, Lord mercy.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you know, so I was my friend. Somebody told me about the house.
You know, so me I rent this room I do.
What a month?
Much a month?
Yeah.
10 grand.
Oh, that good man. We work with it. That good day. So we can move in.
You can't move it. Right now you can't move. You never know how the money just pay me money in my hand.
Yeah man. A 5,000 bills.
Alright. Come and show you in our place. Yeah, as you know, see, you know, I want to clean up or something. Yeah. Up there, so too. Yeah, we have to go get somebody to fix up this, or you can get somebody to fix up this, and then something there. So, where's about the place?
That's not a problem, man.
Okay. So, ma'am, where's about the place, ma'am? No problem. Okay.
I'll go for my things and I'm forward.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Alright.
Come in, B.
The same time I come back, and if you don't stop on that, yeah?
Alright.
landlord come to about rent this and rent that.
I'm about to go to the house.
Lift up.
You know, don't say my people after do rice, you know.
You do one refix.
Rice, man, inches them drop. Tell me, a roll a shower. Come in. Yeah. Going down the camera, no?
Oh, so no good on something?
Yeah, man.
How we get the camera from?
I've been back from Virgin.
Oh, you buy it from Virgin?
Yeah, man. I look 40 grand for it, you know?
So you say 10 grand? No, sir, that not good. I clean up in a place and something and me tell my friends to take it that she garbage.
Oh, so you mean no good? Me no see nothing wrong with it.
It no good. If it did good, why would I tell him for that show? When me did a clean up?
Oh.
You can't buy nothing from the people around this place, yeah.
So, babes, scam, my brother scam me, you know?
Yeah. You can't buy nothing, them a scam artists. You hear me say? Then we are say, them a sell you something well look like it good and it no good. So you
me look on it, I see nothing wrong with it because you know mash up nothing, me no see nothing pop off of it.
It no good.
Hey, that boy there for give me back my 40,000 line.
So you say 10,000.
Make it a long story.
You're gonna spend 40,000 pound that. Does me must say, me go on me rent next month.
You rent alright, man.
Alright. Me just not say nothing. Just make sure you have me rent. That's it.
Me go back to the boy for my money. Come on, back my money. Me did my other show. Me I can't go put it in and say,
later.
give me back my money.
And I'm not saying how much. Now make your husband or your boyfriend make it buy no car, nobody for the road. You hear me? Yeah? Alright,
Let me see boy scam me. Like you look on the camera, you don't look like you good.
I'm not going for you.
Yeah. Me so come here, I say me find a boy come forgive me back money in idea, you know. Again. Yo, my youth. Yo, get up, man. My youth. Mrs. Ayo, get up, man. I'll go. What kind of style more my youth? Who style, yo? How can I come and take up with a garbage for us? Who take up garbage? Me new bank camera, me take up with a garbage. You go rent me your house. Who rent your house? You know if you know that, you go rent me house. Go check me today. And see me the camera, me clean on the camera. And she ask me when me get the camera from, I tell me say I she that she camera. I want back camera, you know what sense. You go take the camera from me and look on the camera. And say a fair one. You come and start there, but start me and start there. What's on? You give me back my money. I violate thing in the pan. I know violating, you know. You give me back my money. More about my money. What's on, man? More about my money, you. New brand camera, me give you charge. New brand camera away. I know me. And the girl look on the camera and say I fear one. I remember say smart me so as if I know. You so as if I'm garbage heap. Girl come style me. Watch out. Remember me tell you. Style man brother.
Watch out, man. Relax. Watch out, Biggs. Easy.
Back away.
Man, you come like you want me give you a black in the head.
Watch out now. You see, yes, so I feel me. And over there, so I feel you. So I need you to back away and take what you say. Watch out.
May I get my money, you know?
Alright.
May I get my money?
Alright. I chop. Oh, this is my one.
Hey! Acha! Oh, I'm good, girl.
Me there.
You just sit down, so.
Girl, in the house, I tell me if you come out, come get some cold breeze.
You say what my walk down with them, say me see him come over here.
Oh, so how church and something?
Church alright. Church alright.
Okay.
Me see say you rent out the place though.
Yeah, man, me rent out it to somebody. One couple them.
You can't say me know the two of them. You better mind what you do with them because they don't like pay money. She, the girl, I'm a church sister, you know.
What you mean? Me love my money, you know, because me have to take my money buy my baby clothes.
The girl don't like that even man. They don't like pay money. So you better watch yourself with the two of them one day. You hear me I tell you? Okay, because they will scare me, I run away. The sister they not even have nothing. For me place me the rent them run so you know. And you can't pay me money so me run them out.
Well, them have, if they even hold me an inch, they have to find me money give me. Cause me love money bad. Yesterday call me a breeder now. Hey, it buster now. So they have to find my money. Me no play with money, you know.
Play with money. Look for you. Where you go breed? Money make you breed. But anyways, me I go on the road. Me check you tomorrow.
Yes, sir, money make me breed. So how you no breed it and you love money too? Said so.
Don't
me
worry
love
yourself.
Money. Oi, said so me love money. You love money too.
Sucky. Big up yourself. What going on? Afternoon. Your husband not there?
No.
Oh, you know what I'm saying? I want you to pray for me because from our day, maybe not be a bad luck. Like, I don't know, I'm sad, so I just want you to pray for me. Because you see me start coming to church last week, Sunday. The ceremony was wonderful, so I just want you to pray for me. Can you pray for me?
Well, we can't pray now.
Yeah, sister, man. Your church, you have to pray. Only a prayer, nothing too big. You see me? Alright, so you pray for me?
Yeah.
Alright then, thank you. Thanks, yeah. I like you do you with the place. Are you with the place, so?
Yeah.
Okay, alright then, so. I don't know about praying, I'm for the ball my hand?
Yes, like yeah.
Alright then.
Father God bless this boy. In the name of Jesus, amen.
Amen. Thank you very much. I pray I feel so much. So I'm going to take me leave, yeah? Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.
Hey boy, where are you in my house?
Eh?
Where are you in my house?
Oh, a little prayer I come from for your wife. Make sure pray for me. Repent.
My wife can't pray for people like you.
No way, sir. She pray for me.
People like you don't deserve prayer.
Alright, big up yourself.
D,
Eh?
what that boy there do?
I come pray for me now.
Pray for you?
Yeah.
Are you pray for him?
him come pray for me.
When I not tell you, you know. Cause him tell me say he come for you pray for him and then you know what tell me say you him pray for you. But wait there. Are we on him the dinner though? We can do mad panic ground.
Well, I don't know.
Well, you don't know, me don't know, you know. What kind of a dinner? A sex, not sex?
No.
Oh! Y'all been in my face, not? Boy, I really need that, you know. I don't know what I feel like. Hello? 119. Police. Yes, I have a very important emergency. I just passed on domestic abuse. Yeah, one man over there killing him on the lick. Yes, she ball out. Help. No, I couldn't go help him because I never, you know, just go help her. Right out an umbrella road on the front parish party green van there, right at the yard, they go lock him up, not ask him no question, nobody a beat, killing him on the lick. Alright. Yeah, officer. Boy, I really that to know.
Yo! Why I don't know what I go on here there. I tell you, rough man. I'm there, I don't feel like I do no work today. I just go through one look at time, you know, cause some of the time you think you could handle more, but I just life itself. Yeah, one of my brethren now. I used to work on Senganton photographer, right? And I don't know if a hard life or whatever. Him killing woman and killing himself. You know what I mean? So this is a sad story. And he have family and foreign them, I don't know why they never filed for him. But I guess it's a problem that family no want help family. Can you also talk about him family them, you know what I mean, when you so up and down with them, and everybody gone and foreign and him alone left here. So he married to a local chick. 2 of me here, because then go in the house go see condom paper ground. You know what I mean? So I just say there. You know what I mean? I don't know what take place, but then say boy I ain't kill her and kill himself. That's one of them things there. Sad story though. Me say then go do one rat funeral for him, man, you know. No normal funeral, you know, package. The package with them when they say they want are like 3 million, 4 million. And when the man they alive and have box round with his wife and something, they no help him none at all. I don't understand family. But what can we do? And you me attack, and you know say your family you could give me a strength. I don't attack you, man. Calm down like auntie. Nah man, I don't curse you. No later. Cause you turn one difference you know, because yeah, you know say you just like the same people them same way. So why difference me I tell you? You know if it get offensive. If the truth is the truth, what? What have you done? You can't curse me, no me a reason no you get vexed, upset to me say family are this and family that. So you know the same thing too? Look how long you travel all over the place. You have none of your sister them or your brother. When me a raise man, if it pick up topic and it reflect to you too, me no want you give me no attitude. Because me a reason, it's a house you want me sort out for you, me a reason about what go on. And me no want you get on my wrong side. Because me and your family, because me tell you about your parts will make you up, you know. You hear me I say? Because me I tell you how family deal with family and you know so you feel guilty, you could not reflect on me. Because me not beg you nothing. What? You know what later? Me can't talk to you now. Me I go through one rough time and now my head hot. You hear me? Alright, burn it down. I give thanks to life when you're wrong. Yeah, I'm talking to the man in the mirror. So yo, you have to do better, you know. Jamaica go fight, you know boy. Jamaica is a place like this where You have to fight the wickedest war to get through. So many time more effort to put in your youth. You might sick out yourself, but be strong. You know what I mean? And trust the process. And go through. Message to the world, man. You see, as a Jamaican, you know some things 10 times harder here than anywhere else in the world. To some extent, because you have places harder than yes, but still. But she say Jamaica is in the Caribbean report, it is a treasure. You know what I mean? It's very sad when you want Jamaica to work very hard and then you don't really see what you work for. Yeah man, I've seen plenty people in them upper age cry. But anyway, to get moving up to the level part you need for there, we are trying. And we are doing it. And I hope on the seats, so we are putting the effort and enough love and respect for our support from that time to this time. You know what I mean? It's a long list of people keep us going from that time to this time. Damien, big up yourself, Empress G, Tatsan Franco, supporter. You know? When Jews, you know what I mean? There's a lot more name. Cool Breeze, you know what I mean? Stacian, you know what I mean? Different producer for different area, you know what I mean? From Philadelphia, where people same way, you know what I mean? So, when we're there, so, and I put in the work, you know, we realize, say, we have to go find a different way. So we are come with some big movie, you know, and look out for them. Big movie, it now go show up on YouTube, but you will see the trailer. You go try meeting demands because we have to go use it to step to the next level. So the movie they go take a longer time to shoot. Everything will go through carefully. Who if you do editing, go do the editing. Who if you do the writing, go do the writing. Who if you do the any part type. It's not gonna be a one man to do it. It's gonna be something different. So we're gonna look forward for that. Then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next. You know what I mean? Because we can't go somewhere. Because we can't just there on start level and move forward. You know what I mean? So we just say this to say that. We know the fight we have faced, and the next one is see it out there and I say, right. Because we get some fighters some places, you know, some people say they know, and then no way. Be attacking bad things against the movements of what we're trying to do. And when you find out what we're attacking, it's the same Jamaican attack against an ex-Jamaican. So I don't know if it's an ingrown something where Jamaican always against Jamaican. And when Jamaican do good, the same Jamaican where they attack against you, proud, or you live with yourself. You know what I mean? The time out to say, big up all of the people them who put them work forward and then reap the benefit is a motivation to push forward. If you continue to do it, even when nothing now going, we still do it. You understand? So we are using the music, the dancehall music now as a guidance in stepping stone region to say watch out. You know what I mean? Put in the work. You know what I mean? When I did them, you can become the king of movie. Like our cartel is the king of dancehall. You know what I mean? So we are fight. We are fight the war and what it take. But it's a different platform still. Because you know it's a movie in a Jamaica. In the devil party for the yet. You know what I mean? So you know have the rush towards so much. You know what I mean? And when the rush come, once the people go and take it all for themselves. If we the people them who started on the hungry days and do it, kind of find to look area, them go come and take everything and go with it, man. Because human being in Jamaica is like that. They just take things. The rich take things. They don't build the poor. Because they don't want the poor to be rich. You know what I mean? But the poor is the richest and they unite. And when poor people unite, before they unite, they start fight. And them things that I don't like. Alright. Let's talk fun day and no night. Anyway, we're going to talk Because there's a lot of things to do. And me have 2 more movies I shoot and I said at the time. Because some do it with the hard work in youth, you know. We work hard, very hard. We just want to see the thing pay off. You know what I mean? So I haven't taken a day off yet. So anyway, put it down to the ground. You don't watch a movie that while ago. Look out for the next one. We soon build up this channel lineup, but we have some things where I look for somebody to train or to edit. But me just don't want to choose anybody. You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of things going on. And everything good with the talk. But we figure that out. You understand? Yeah, about Judas. Sell out business and then we're there, right? Yeah, man. No, sell out one already. And we don't want it back again. You know what I mean? So we have to be careful this time. Once bitten twice shy. Yeah.